It's Friday, February the 22nd, and what we're going to show here is the first of two tests for the EnerPro dual pulse modules. Normally we have two part numbers depending on the type of load that will determine the strength of the signal, the gating current going to the thyristors. The first one here we have, it's an EP1025-0. And it's a -0 because it doesn't have an internal resistor that normally does the phase reference attenuation. So although there is a pin, the pin is just there so that it can go on the firing board. It can get installed on the firing board, but there's really an open circuit there. Some internal resistors are in there for that. And also, the turn ratio between the primary and the secondary inside the transformer, it's 25 turns to 25, a 1-to-1 ratio. This is a dual. So we have here one pulse modules, and here we have the other. What we're going to show on this high-pot test is that if we take the high side that it's connected to the thyristors on the output of the firing board to our high voltage, and then we ground the secondary side of the pulse module, we're going to high-pot it up to 3,000 volts for 60 seconds, and that's a test that this pulse module will if passes, it will satisfy applications for 1.2 kV on the 61 HV and in the FCO REM and the FCO 1200 boards, either firing boards, delay terminator boards, or accelerator boards. So at this point we're gonna go ahead and get started. We have preset or high-pot tester. You want to go ahead and set the timer for 60 seconds. Set. And you're going to run at 3 kV. Alright. So we have that going. Yep, just have 30 seconds into the test, and verify that there's according to the reading right now, it has 110 micro amps. And what we've done before recording this video is we've tested the second half. That's why there's an extra lead of wires coming out of it. And we're also going to test a second pulse module. Let me know when we're done.
And 3.
Alright, so we're done. It's all good. So then we're going to try this out also on a different pulse module, which is the EP1026-2-2-2. This is the component that we use when we have inductive loads, and the primary ratio it's 50 turns to 20 turns on the secondary. And on this particular case, the 2-2-2 means that there are two resistors of 2 mega ohms each in series for an equivalent of 4 mega ohms of a resistive path between the cathode and the R, the K cathode and the R terminal on this pulse module that we're going to test again for high-pot. This is the end of this video.